This is Sunday, race 2, 5:23:21. The conditions, wind is still out of 150 to 152, dropping a little bit in velocity. Probably instead of 12 to 16 with a base of 16, gust 19, the wind had dropped so that the gusts were perhaps 16 and the lulls down in the 8 range, probably closer to 12, 13 as a base. Again, looking at the course as a whole, still pretty square beat, bit of a right-hand favor here. Have 2 leeward marks. First loop goes to a mark just below the line. Second loop goes down to mark 4, which skews the course off to making starboard tack the long tack. Right. Let's look at the start. Not sure what this loop is for RetroGirl, but quite a bit of gap here. One can assume perhaps a breakdown rather than complete mishandling. Quick tack to the right for 42. A little bit more of a lift right here. Pretty conservative ley line use. A little bit of a lift there. Good rounding. I'm assuming a duck right there in getting around. RetroGirl is running a chute. 42 is running a pulled out head sail. Decent rounding. RetroGirl's rounding's not quite so good. Let's do a quick measure here. Distance lost just to leeward in that rounding. .23 meters. Kind of wrong with that tack there. And again, the same long run down to 4. Short hitch out to the right. She's coming in at 5. Notice what happens. She bleeds down to about 3, makes it back up to 4, and tacks. It's losing a lot of boat speed, multiple maneuvers. speed this up since this is really just a drag race. The big question is when to tack. 42 decides to go further inshore, hoping for a shore effect. RetroGirl tacks earlier. That cross. She is 517 meters behind. Here's where the left-hand side didn't pay all that much because you still have to come in on starboard, it being the long tack, and a not very nice knock going into the finish line. And that's race 2.